Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add products to a page in Shopify. So in order to do that, let's first head over right here to our customize option. Now, once you head over and click on the customize, it will also show you right here your actual Shopify store. From in there, you can head over and then click on this home page, and then you can head over and click on these pages. Now, if you want, you can also create a new page if you want to as well. Just head over and click on this create template. From in there, just put in here the name. So for example, let's put in here products, and then you can base it on a default page or on the template page that you already have. For me, I'll just choose default page and then click on this create template. Once I have done that, this will show me this. So as you can see, it based me to the default template. So I'll head over and then edit out this page right here. So you can head over and edit it out according to your liking if you want. Now from in here, you can actually add a section. Head over and click on this add section right here. And then in here, you can add announcement bar, or you can also add some more things if you want. Now you can also add some blocks if you want to as well. So for example, for this one, let's head over and put some things right here. So right here, let's add in here multi-column or also a multi-row. So for this one, let's head over and add this. You can also just add featured products as well as featured collection, since this will actually basically speed up the process. So click on anything that you want, and then this will be added right around here. So we have in here our featured collection. Now you can head over and then select the collection that will be featured. So just head over and select on it, and then as you can see, it's been selected. So just click on the select right here, and then this will be added. So any product that is actually on the collection of the homepage should also be able to be added on this case. Head over and save this, and it will display all your products. So that's how you add products to a page in Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.